Okay, so this video is for my makeup artist girly pops, as well as anybody who obviously travels and likes bringing a lot of makeup, but primarily this is for makeup artists. This is like how to condense your kit. So this guy fits on the back of my carry-on luggage. Amazing. And then this is the size of bag that I use to carry any type of liquids. But I'm gonna show you the products that I bring that are like my mandatories. Obviously, for Mexico, my kit is actually condensed even more than this. I have more hair tools coming to Mexico, but for Bali, I don't know what the girls are wearing. So I have a bit more palettes and a bit more variety in color than I typically would when I know exactly what's going on. Yeah, so like I know exactly what everyone's wearing for Mexico because I styled the girls. So I'm good in that regard, but for Bali, I don't know what these girls are wearing for their shoots. So my kit is a little bit more broad. Also, traveling to Bali and I'm bringing a carry-on bag, this guy fits into my backpack also. Like, this is probably not the best information ever, but I put this on my carry-on and then I put a blanket over top of it because I'm pretending I'm gonna sleep, because they don't really get mad at you for having blankets and like external things. And then I still have my backpack with all my camera gear and stuff in it. So yeah. So for Bali, I'm only bringing one hair tool. It is the Lange Le Duo Grand. It straightens, it's got vents all around the outside, so it curls really nice as well. You can do loose waves, you can do triple barrel with it. Everything you kind of want just in this wand alone. In here, I also have like my own personal items, like my personal concealer, shampoo, conditioner, a little bit of things that are like more for me, but I still will show you everything that's in here. So this is my favorite contour stick for myself. It's the Rare Beauty. I have all these little tiny containers, which are like my shampoo, my conditioner. This is actually a makeup remover. I just put it in one of these tiny little pods. My face wash. This is the e.l.f. lotion. I'll show you what I do with this. After, I have like everything fit in here. I've got a hairspray in here. I've got lip primer, which I don't know if I really need, but I have it anyway. These 3 mouthwashes, they're big enough that you can like split them in days, that's why. Tattoo Studio, Maybelline, I love that for brows. Brow gel, NYX brow gel, Beverly Hills brow gel. You know what, I'm actually gonna take this out because I don't know if any of the girls are gonna want this. My own toothpaste, my own shampoo, this green eyeliner stick because I kind of figured, you know, maybe. Okay, hair prep, one of these little guys. Dewy spray, my own Laneige, my own 3 eye masks for traveling on the plane. I probably only need 2. Symbiotica, these are also like my personal things. Brush cleaner, hair oil, mascara and lash glue, e.l.f. lip gloss, because I'm pretty much just bringing lip liners because they get away through TSA. This is a matte finishing spray. I normally don't bring finishing sprays at all, but I am for this trip just because. Brush on adhesive for glue as well. My own face lotion, and then another Maybelline Tattoo Studio. You know what? I could probably condense these two. I don't think I need both of them, especially because I am bringing my powdered brow kit. So I don't think I need both of these, but I also have room for it, so I'm not gonna not bring them. And then this is just like my own little perfume and my own little hand sanitizer there. So that's like what's in the little carry-on or the TSA approved bag, and it fits a lot of shit. Like this is a lot of items that we have in there. Obviously we got one of these guys, which is our brushes. These are just all of my eye brushes here. I'm gonna move this up a little. Going into the kit, we have face brushes all up in here. These are all pencils. So I have like black eyeliner, brown eyeliner, and then all of my lip pencils here. I actually love these Sheen lip pencils. They're amazing. Any of our little sanitary type guys here. 2 of these, a towel. This brow palette, I still love this. That's why I said I don't think I need to bring all the brow things I'm bringing because I'm pretty good with just having powder. These are hair rollers, which I'm gonna be using to style my own hair. A vacuum sealed pack of a bunch of blenders. 2 pressed powders, the Fit Me's. I really like them. I have a more tan color and a more neutral color. I got a light and a medium Fit Me loose powder, which is great for baking the under eyes. Hairbrush, a bunch of hair clips and things like that because I am doing hair. Tons and tons of lashes. Again, Sheen has like the best options for so many lashes and they're so easy to cut apart. But this is the reason that I am able to travel with like no foundation is I love using these pressed concealers, pressed blushes. So they open up like this. You just scrape out the color that you need, put it onto your metal palette, and then you can work it in. I also find that if you use like any of these like really nice concealer colors, mix it with a little bit of lotion, it gives that nice, beautiful foundation effect, which is all you really need. Like, look at this kit, it has every color you could possibly need. You can blend everything into it. And these do not show up in TSA as liquid. They show up as solids, and most of them are too not with it with makeup to understand that these can turn into liquid. They don't realize that these are like a cream product. They see them as solids and they show up in TSA as solids. So you can kind of get away with getting a lot of items that way. So I have like blush, contour, highlight, and then all the concealers done this way. I also have one more pressed powder. This is just translucent baking powder. Again, like I said, I'm a little overkill on this kit. I could definitely do less. I have a ton of different like blushes in here, but I could probably get away with literally just 2. The Visanti one, because it's nice, got 2 tones in it. But again, I don't know what these girls like. I've never worked with them before. It's not like going to Mexico where I've worked with a lot of the girls already, so I know exactly like their vibe. This Jane palette as well has like nice highlights and blush, which is great. I have a couple like little lip sticks in here. Again, they're so micro that they're not gonna show up in TSA at all. So I'm really grateful for that. And again, I cut these off and smash them onto my little metal palette there, or my little metal tray, and they work lovely. And like I said, again, this is like a very overkill travel kit, but this has like everything you would ever possibly need. I've got 3 palettes in here. I've got the Morphe 35, like the Gilded Desert, because it's just like, of course, holiday tropic vibe perfectly. I went with this palette as well from Morphe that's got a bit more color range to it, just because, like I said, as much as I told these girls that natural glam looks the best, I don't know if that's what they want. So I did bring some colors and pops like that just in case they're a little bit more picky on what they want. This bag also like slips, has a zipper here, so I was able to, all these duckbill clips, which I'll be using to hold up their hair and their, before their sessions. I got a few of these like iPads too, like this style for Fallout. I don't usually use them, but sometimes I have them. I'm probably gonna remove these 2 palettes. I have them shoved in the back here just because like I love how deep and how amazing these colors are. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Berry and Cream, and then the Kylie Jenner Chill Baby. I love how these colors look, but I do think I should remove these from my kit just because it is a little bit overkill when I already have these like 3 really awesome palettes, and Naughty is the 3rd palette I have in here because it's got the best type of shimmers and glows. So yeah, I definitely like went overkill on the eyeshadow palettes when I was first packing. Same with like this. I'm like, okay, this is like the perfect palette for me, but all of these colors are already in, like the Morphe, the Naughty, and the Morphe Desert. So I don't really need to bring this one as well, but I really think it's cute and I like it. So that one's like my separate palette. And that's that. That's all I have in here, minus like, obviously I put an air tag in there just in case they do make me check this bag, which is totally fine. I pack it tight enough that nothing's gonna shift. But yeah, that is literally my travel kit for doing hair and makeup. I will link this nice black kit. I also have a backpack version of this that I really like as well, but because I'm taking my backpack with my camera gear, I don't really have the option to have 2 backpacks and get away with it. So yeah, this is how we packed this kit here for our travel.